Recon Man, back with a seat repair video. We got us a Dodge Ram 1500 perforated seat with a big old rip in it. I started sanding on it, gonna get it prepped up and repaired. Back in a minute. And we got us another twofer here. Got us a Toyota Corolla with a steering wheel repaired. And this thing is chewed up. I just sanded on it for 10 minutes. Got it smoothed out. Gonna throw some special compound on it. Get it ready for color. Back in a minute. Well, hey, instead of back in a minute, bring you up to speed on the Ram seat repair. Got the leather soft fill in place and curing. This is air dry, no temperature, no heat. So let it set here and shrink up. Then we'll do another layer. But I'll be back after the next layer. That's the special compound for the steering wheel repair. Good old chip guard. Spray it on there. Do 2 or 3 coats. That's going to, it's not going to fill 100% of that, of the gouges, but it's going to fill most of it and prevent it from peeling. And I'm getting ready to put another coat on here. Be back in a minute. We got the second coat of leather soft fill. You can already see how fast it shrinks up. It was up above the cut right here. You see, it's literally watch it shrink right now as it's drying. Let it cure up. Back in a minute. Back with the finished products. Hopefully the sun glare isn't too horrible, but I can't do anything about that. Except maybe go to the other side and film it. It's not pretty, but it's built for durability. It ain't splitting again. Steering wheel, that turned out really good. She's looking brand new. And I also dyed the passenger seat. I cleaned the first row, console, wheel, seats, repaired the driver's seat, dyed the face of it, and dyed the face of the passenger seat. So the first row, the driver's compartment's looking nice. This truck's been abused. You had to put a motor in it because the motor was bad. Bed's a little beat up. But she's a work truck, and we're polishing on this bad girl. So that's the Ram finished product. And here's the Corolla. It's a far cry from perfect, but way better. All the slices and gouges and chips. The chip guard does some filling, but largely it's just to bond the edges so it can't, keep it down so it doesn't peel in the future. That wraps up these two and my day. It's time for Memorial Day weekend festivities to start. Rock on. Later.